Hello everyone, myself Vedant, and today is December 16. So let's start with today's crypto analysis. Firstly, if you see Bitcoin on the daily time frame closed a very good bearish candle yesterday. Seeing 4 hour time frame, uh, it gave a really quick dump downside, and this was a really huge move and on 4 hour time frame. And again, if we see on 1 hour, um, from somewhat this level, the fall started and went well up downside. So yes, this was a really good move in our favor, and this target was tapped here somewhat, and afterwards it also continued in a bearish mode. And yes, also right now it's somewhat consolidating right now, and and this is the selling area for Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame for now, as the markets are bearish and we would be looking for sells only. So that's a good selling area for Bitcoin for now, and that's it. Coming on to Ethereum on the daily time frame is also bearish. Uh, okay, it closed a very good bearish candle on the daily time frame, showing a good bearishness. And if you see on the 4 hour, also similar big huge 4 hour candle was closed. And also right here, this was consolidation phase on the weekend. This was our trade on the Sunday, and afterwards it just took the upside liquidity or made some retracement upside and just gave a huge downside move. So yes, it was a good move, and this is the selling zone for now for 1 hour time frame, and this could be the possibly we could look for this zone as a selling zone, as well as this is consolidating right now, and it might be possible that price could go down from this range only, as the market is bearish. Much of the bearishness could be seen on the markets, and yes, that's it for Ethereum. Coming on to XRP on the daily time frame also closed a good bearish candle yesterday. Coming on to 4 hour was also a good bearish move seen on the 4 hour. Also coming on to 1 hour time frame, it was just a good selling for pattern formation was there, and afterwards it just continued downside very well. Okay, so yes, Hmm, for now this could be the selling zone for XRP, and not much to say on XRP for now. And yes, that's it. Let's head on to BNB. BNB on the daily time frame also closed a good bearish candle on the daily time frame. If we see coming on to 4 hour, 4 hour was a good continuation downside, and it calls for a downside move further, and a continuation downside further could be possibly seen in BNB. Seeing on the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour, it found a good double top bearish pattern formation. Afterwards, it gave a good selling, and this is the zone we could look for sells in the BNB further. Uh, so this is on 1 hour time frame for selling. So yes, let's wait for the price to come retrace after this big move, and afterwards we would be planning some sells accordingly. And yes, coming on to Solana on the daily time frame closed a kind of a doji candle, so it might be taking a support at mm, this level as it's consolidating in this zone. So yes, exactly on the 4 hour time frame, we could see the rejection from this zone is there, and seeing on the 1 hour time frame, it's just that this was our selling zone for Solana, and price just tapped it again and showed a very major selling candle and continued downside further after tapping up this level. So yes, that's it for Solana, and there's no much of the selling zones on Solana. This level could be extended further for selling, and no new selling zones are being formed in Solana, as also it's in a consolidation phase. So this could also be a weak selling zone. So we could avoid selling at this level. Coming on to Dogecoin on the daily time frame closed a good bearish candle. Okay, so it also closed the candle below this previous swing low and created a new low as well. That's a good indication for the bearishness continuation on Dogecoin. Also, seeing on the 4 hour, it also made a good bearish candle closure, and seeing on the 1 hour time frame, it just failed to tap this level, went down well, and consolidated a bit at this range and then went down. Okay, so this could be the possible selling zone in the upcoming session, and we could look for sells here in the Dogecoin. And that's it for Dogecoin as well. I hope you like that analysis for today on crypto markets, and that's it for today. Thank you.